Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. So to do that, let's head over to the settings and in here go to connections. And once you're there, you will find the locate and enable Wi-Fi calling option. So you can find a SIM manager in here and turn on the calling option in here. If you can't find it in here, you can try the more connection settings. You can find your option in here too. And sometimes in some Android versions, it is in the Wi-Fi section. You have to go to the advanced settings and then turn it on. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just turn on your Wi-Fi enable calling on Android. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.